Well, joining me now to talk about this is Shawn Triggs. He is the development director with the American Diabetes Association. Shawn, thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, Shawn, let's start with what's happening this weekend and all of the tests and screenings available for people at this community health fair.
Sure. So this Saturday is our first ever Connected for Life community health fair that we're hosting here at the American Diabetes Association. And the motivation really behind this is that we saw coming out of the pandemic, especially, a lot of folks weren't really prioritizing their personal health. Whether it was skipping medications, skipping their wellness checks or annual screenings. So we really want to show people that it's really, it's important to prioritize your personal health and how easy it is with the resources that they have right here in Philadelphia. So what we're going to be having this Saturday, thanks to a lot of our local healthcare systems and working with our lead partner and sponsor, Independence Blue Cross, a lot of these health systems are going to be doing screenings like blood pressure tests, administering our diabetes risk test, which lets you sort of know if you should have a conversation with your doctor about developing type 2 diabetes. We'll also be sending folks home with some at-home COVID tests, as well as a host of other Philly-based community organizations who are going to be talking about different resources that they have, talking about just different educational materials they have around not only diabetes, but various other chronic diseases. And we'll be having some fitness demonstrations, some nutrition and cooking demos, as well as some games and activities for the whole family. And we'll be giving away some really cool raffle prizes. So it's going to be a fun day.
Got to make health fun, Shawn, for sure. And you mentioned the pandemic and some of those effects. Is there anything specific that you noticed in the 2.5 years since COVID began with people's health?
Honestly, we're seeing the numbers of diabetes cases still on the rise, whether it's just in Philadelphia or the whole state of Pennsylvania in general. We targeted North Philadelphia to host this event at the Columbia North YMCA because we're seeing those diabetes rates really on the rise in North Philly. And diabetes itself, when it goes either undiagnosed or not treated properly, just has so many other health issues and comorbidities that come along with it, like high blood pressure, hypertension. We're seeing every day people losing limbs that could have been preventable because of diabetes complications. So we just really want people to hear the message loud and clear of how important it is to prioritize yourself, your physical health, your mental health, and really just, seeing what this great community of Philadelphia and North Philly in general really has to offer and assist.
And Shawn, going to the doctor can sometimes be intimidating. A lot of people maybe don't have access or resources when it comes to adequate health care. Talk about kind of the community element of this, why these events are so important.
Absolutely. I think that what these sort of events show is instills a trust in people's community of where they live. They see that there are these free resources for their screenings to help them with insurance issues, for just general education if they don't know where to start. And it's folks that are helping them right in their backyard. There's all of these amazing community partners that you'll see out this Saturday, really just having the same goal that we have at the American Diabetes Association to really just, live a healthy lifestyle, whether it's you're dealing with diabetes, other chronic disease, or you just want to prevent any disease from popping up.
Shawn Triggs with the American Diabetes Association. Thank you so much for speaking with us this morning. And of course, good luck with the event on Saturday.
Thank you very much.
Bye, Shawn. For more information about the American Diabetes Association's Community Health Fair, just tap the NBC10 app or head to NBC10.com/findit on 10.